Hey, what's going on, everybody, and how are you today? Dean Chiusano with John R. Wood Properties here, and thanks for tuning into my first virtual open house. I'm in Stoneybrook in Gateway, not to be confused with Stoneybrook in Estero, and this is really a great home in a great neighborhood, and I'm so lucky my sellers let me stop in today because I just listed it over a month ago, right before we went into quarantine, and it hasn't really gotten the exposure it deserves, so let's pop in, let's take a look around. Alright, and here we are just inside the front door, and let me just take you around the lower level living area. Down here you're going to find an office and or fifth bedroom, the master bedroom, a little setup here that looks out over the pool, which is nice, an entryway into the kitchen, and then this will swing around to your stairs and a second dining room that you have here. So you can see, as I'll rotate around, there's some good size in this main entry area of living space. And this is the fifth bedroom that I'm talking about. My seller currently has it set up as an office, but you could easily make it a bedroom because there is a closet in this back left corner. So yeah, a great downstairs area here, nice and big, tile throughout. The furnishings are negotiable, but really clean, bright. They really did a nice job with it. So let's go on to the master. All right, so here we are walking into the master bedroom. You're gonna have your bathroom here on your right, which I'll take you in a second. And to your left here, you are going to have the bedroom. Good size, king size bed, nicely painted, nice windows for brightness, and a nice little walkout to a view of your pool, which is really nice. So let me spin around here and give you a long view of what you're going to be looking at here. So this is the bedroom from the other side. As you can tell, nice bedroom. Carpet is in good shape. Yeah, so there's quite a bit of room in here. And then you're going to walk straight on through. Your his and her closets are going to be on the right and left side here, which are very good size. Tile throughout the bathroom here. You're going to have dual vanity, so that's very nice. And you're going to have a tub and a nice glass enclosure shower, which actually has a ton of room in it as you get over here. And you can see no door, which is nice, and it's big enough so that you're not going to get any splash when you're showering. And then the toilet and the bathroom is inside here, which has its own separate door. So yeah, very nice bathroom. Like I said, like the rest of the house, in great shape, well taken care of. Yeah, they've really done a nice job of keeping this house in good shape. So let's go on to the kitchen after one final spin. Okay, here we are now in the kitchen. And as you can see right away, what stands out are these nice tall wooden cabinets. They're absolutely beautiful. Nice little bar area here that leads into the living space, which I'll turn around in a second. Tile throughout the floor, like most of the house. You got the newer appliances. You got the nice dark granite countertops, which are really pretty. And yeah, you just have a ton. Samsung refrigerator, and there's your stairs to go upstairs on the right, just to give you an idea of where we are in the house. But this is a good sized kitchen, very pretty. And walks right over to your TV or living area. They've put another little dining area in right here on the right, which is really good size and looks out right over the pool, which is real pretty. So you can have something to eat right while you look outside, right over your saltwater pool. So it's really a pretty spot. And here is the TV room. So it's all kind of open here in the kitchen. And yeah, real pretty setup. Let me back up one more time so you get a bigger view of the whole thing. And yeah, very nice kitchen. So let's go upstairs. All right, so I am going to show you the top of the stairs here just to give you a little perspective. So as you come up, you're gonna have one bathroom up here. You are gonna have 3 bedrooms up here. And you are gonna have this huge entertainment and game room up here. So this is great for hosting family, friends. I mean, there is so much space over here. Nice wood laminate, and this window gets a lot of light in, so I'll take you around and give you a little spin just to give you the view from the entire room, just so you can get an idea of the space of this room. I mean, it's really nice. You can do a lot up here. And then this will take you right into your 3 bedrooms. Let's start here right on the end. Carpet's in great shape. Yeah, I mean, nice little bedroom. This home is just in immaculate shape. It doesn't even look like they've spent much time here. And it's a 2006. So let's spin around and just show you these little bedrooms quick. They're pretty basic and they're the same. Second bedroom here. Back out. It's a little tight, so I'm trying to do my best. Let's walk around here. Dual vanity, nice bathroom here that connects these 2 rooms. And this 3rd bedroom upstairs. So, I mean, you can see you've got quite a bit of space up here. This is a big house. I mean, 5 bedrooms, 3,600 square feet, 3 bathrooms, and a loft. So yeah, you've got a lot of room. Let's go down to the pool. All right, now let's head out to the pool. All right, this is a huge, huge area out here, and just an awesome, awesome place to host. This is my favorite spot right here. Just some nice landscaping, just a huge screen, and just real pretty views. We got a great day to show it today. So let me walk over here and turn around just so you can see it from the other side, and see what it looks like when you're facing the house. Let me just pan across here. Yeah, big saltwater pool, nice screen, nice big hosting area, and then you have a nice shaded inside area there where you can sit. So yeah, I mean, it's really pretty out here. The sellers did a great job. They put some landscaping in out here that gives you a little bit of extra privacy. There's a coconut tree, a mango tree, a mini guava, a plum tree, just some awesome stuff that gives you a little privacy as well. So yeah, this is just a great pool area, and I'll just give you a little elevated look of the house as well. So yeah, great house, great pool area. Let's go back outside. All right, so there you have it. Very large, very beautiful, and very, very well-kept home here in Stoneybrook at Gateway. This will really end up being a great home for someone in a great location. I mean, you're close to the airport, 75, downtown Fort Myers, and all the awesome restaurants and entertainment here at Gateway. So thanks again for your time. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to spend with me. Continue to stay safe and enjoy the time with your families. I'll see you next time.